Hey there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia Garcia and I'm here to teach you all things LinkedIn. Today is just going to be a quick chat because I want to encourage you to show up and to be visible for your business. Oftentimes we think that nobody is looking, but the truth is somebody's watching. And when you show up, people will see you and those who need you will come to you. See, I've been on LinkedIn for 7-ish years. I've generated multiple 7 figures using LinkedIn for sales, and I just started recently posting not that long ago. And when I started to show up on LinkedIn, posting daily, doing LinkedIn lives, and just engaging with my network, I found that people needed my service. In fact, instead of me chasing them, they started coming to me and asking for my advice and wanting to work with me. If you want to receive inbound leads, you have to show up. You have to let people know, what you've done, your experience, your story. Let people find you. Now, if you're scared and you're thinking, what if I mess up? What if I don't do a good job? Well, most of the time, people really don't remember if we mess up. In fact, we have such a short attention span. It's really rare that I've ever remembered somebody messing up on a post. So take that out of your mind and be brave. Show up as the expert that you are. Today, I want to give you 3 daily habits that you can pick up today to become more visible. See, when I wanted to grow my network, I had to be intentional. And so what I would do is I would connect with a minimum of 25 people a day. I would also send out messages, birthday messages, and work anniversary messages. And I would just say, hello, everyone. It's really that simple. We want our network to remember us. So if we don't post, we don't message them, we don't engage, the chances are is that they won't remember you. So if you want to be the leader in your space, the expert in your space, take the time to connect. If you are not a big account or you don't have a big network, then I would suggest connecting with 10 ideal clients per day. If you're a larger account, I would do 25 a day. I would also take the time to comment and engage. So number 1 is connect. Number 2 is comment and engage. When you engage and comment on other people's posts, those that are also on the feed will see you. And oftentimes they'll engage with you. Perhaps they'll like your comment. Perhaps they'll add on to your comment. But the number 1 thing is that you get their attention. Your comment brought them hope. Your comment made them smile. Your comment gave them information that they didn't have before. Either way, you left an impact in the comment section. Now, when it comes to commenting on people's posts, you want to try to find people that have a lot of followers. And I'm not just talking about 10,000 followers. I'm talking about 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers. These are great accounts to comment under, and you want to be one of the first to comment. So find out when they post. Usually they post first thing in the morning. Turn on that notification bell, and as you get the notification that they posted, quickly jump into the comments and leave your comment. Why do you want to do this? Well, it's because they are going to get flooded with hundreds of comments, and all of those people are going to see your name in the comment section. What's really cool about that is that those hundreds of people that jump into the comment section can also like your comment, and what will happen is that your name will appear in all of those people's notifications. Have you ever seen where it says Claudia Garcia commented on your post? Claudia Garcia liked your comment. Well, that's what will happen. your name will show up on their notifications. Pretty cool, right? The third one is going to be the DMs. Oh, the dreadful DMs. So many people hate the DMs. They're scared to say anything that might make them sound a tiny bit like a sales rep. Well, let me tell you guys, the truth is that if you don't have conversations in the DMs, you're likely not to land that client. You want to take them from the engagement on a post or off the feed right into the DMs. A great segue would be asking them what it is about your page or post or what you do that brought them to you. So you could say, what was it about my post that you liked? And also you could just ask them if they need some help. I often will ask them about their business and how their business is doing. This just gets the conversation going because I genuinely want to know how their business is doing. Not everyone is going to be a sale or a client, but everyone should be treated as someone that you want to network with. You don't know who could open a door for you. So perhaps Sally, who you just commented on her post and then slid into the DMs and it continued the conversation in there. Maybe Sally is not your ideal client, but she knows somebody that could be. Not only that, perhaps she works at the ideal corporation where you would love to get a contract. So never dismiss conversations in the DMs, but instead be friendly. Pretend as though you were at an actual networking event. Would you dismiss somebody simply because they're not the perfect client for you? No. You talk to them about their friends, their family, how they got there, where they're from, and you converse and you have a good time. And guess what happens? Oftentimes they'll say, I know somebody that I think could use your services. Don't be afraid to show up. See, they know that you're there to network. They aren't dumb. They know that people are on LinkedIn to grow their business and to grow their career. So they'll often be very friendly. And oftentimes we as humans want to help each other. We want to refer. I love connecting people. So if you jump in my DMs and I'm not your ideal client, I may possibly refer you to somebody that could be or would be. Next time you're wondering how you're going to get your next client, show up on LinkedIn, but don't just show up to scroll, but show up to network. Connect, engage, and start conversations in the DMs. I'll see you later. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate you supporting my channel. My name is Claudia Garcia, the founder and CEO of Royalty Medical Solutions. I offer LinkedIn workshops for people that want to grow their business. I'm a 7-figure revenue generator, and I've done this with the help of LinkedIn. So if you're ready to grow your business or your career, grab the link in the comments below, and I would love to mentor or coach you and show you the way. You got this. Now let's show up as the experts that we are.